Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how we can enable Active Directory role in any of the server. Basically, we will configure Active Directory on this server, which is freshly deployed in the VMware Workstation Pro. So I will configure the Active Directory and make this VM as a domain controller. Okay, so let's move and I will show you how we can create. This is the VM which is basically deployed in the VMware workstation. So I'm going to add roles and feature and adding the roles Active Directory domain services. So basically you have to visit the server manager and click on add roles and features. So as you can see, I have already enabled this feature, which is Active Directory domain services, which is basically installed. Okay, so actually once you install that, you will get this prompt, okay, to promote this server as a domain controller. Okay, let me move and promote this VM as a domain controller. So once you click to promote this server as a domain controller, you will get this prompt. So I'm going to create a new forest here, which is called win.com. Okay, moving to the next. Since we don't have domain controller existing here, so we are creating a new forest. Okay, and moving to the next, here you have to put the password. Moving to the next, moving to the next. Basically it will ask you to confirm the NetBIOS domain name. So this will be my NetBIOS domain name. So I'm keeping this as a default and moving to the next. So you don't have to change the path here. I'm proceeding to the next. So this is the prompt you will get. Okay, all the details you will be available. Okay, once you click on the next, it will start validation. It will check the prerequisites are as per the requirement or not. Okay, as you can see, it's started a verifying prerequisite for domain controller operation. So as you can see here, all prerequisite check passed successfully. Click install to begin the installation. So all the prerequisites which need to be placed for the domain controller is already installed in my server. So basically I'm proceeding to install this and promoting this PC as a domain controller. So as you can see here, the installation is begin, and it will take some time to install. So as you can see here, the installation is successfully and it asking me to restart this server. So I'm going to restart this. It will automatically restart it, as you can see. The VM is back online. Let me RDP to this VM. So as you can see, the domain is configured successfully on this domain controller. Basically this VM will be configured as a domain controller. So to verify that, I'm going to dsa.msc, which is shortcut for Active Directory console. So this is, as you can see here, my domain is configured successfully. Okay, this is the domain. Okay, so this is all about how we can enable Active Directory role